Hi guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Lmipki Nano Microneedle Patch review. So you might be wondering, what is this patch that you may be hearing online here? Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. The Lmipki Nano Microneedle Patch is a non-invasive transdermal body shaping patch designed to assist with daily weight management plans. Now that's according to their website. Now, rather than utilizing liquid drops or oral capsules, this product relies on a topical adhesive backing embedded with hundreds of tiny self-dissolving micro spikes. Now, these microscopic needles are made with crystallized active ingredients that physically penetrates the very top layer of the skin, slowly melting over several hours to deliver the formula directly into the body. Now, in this case, what are the features or what you could basically know or ingredients that is included in this product? So, unlike prescription-only injectable weight loss medication, these over-the-counter patches do not contain actual GLP-1 hormones, semaglutide or tirzepatide. Here, the manufacturer formulates these dissolvable microneedles using a blend of natural botanical extracts and dietary supplements. So that includes like berberine CHCI, which is a plant-derived compound commonly used in holistic wellness to support metabolic rate and energy levels, and also moringa leaf extract, so a nutrient-dense plant extract containing antioxidants and vitamins, and also NAD plus or NAD plus, or in this case nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, so a coenzyme involved in cellular energy production and overall cellular health. Now, using it, which is according to the website here, just instructs you on just cleaning and drying the skin where you want to patch this one, and you just need to peel the actual package here, and just pressing it firmly into your skin or where you want to actually use it. Now, from then on, you just wear this and remove this after some time. Now, usually you can typically use this, according to them, from 2 to 8 hours, so allowing the crystallized ingredients to dissolve completely. Now, once that time is up, you can just gently peel off the adhesive, discard the single-use patch, and wipe any remaining residue here if there are any. Now, a few things that you may want to know here. According to them, these are external use only, so the product must only be applied to clean, unbroken skin and should be never be placed on open wounds, rashes, sunburns, or irritated skin. And also, sensitivities here. Standard guidelines recommend performing a localized skin patch test before full application to monitor for potential adhesive allergies or skin irritation from the herbal ingredients. Now, as for all or any kind of health supplement that you may be you are planning on trying using, it is best to consult a doctor first before trying anything first. Because in this case, with any kind of medicine out there, it's better to be safe before trying anything. But that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.